Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your device OS is up to date and you have at least 200 MB free. Once done, install the Wink app and any listed VPN companion from the same app store to avoid compatibility issues. Next, enable location, microphone, and background app refresh so Wink can capture and transmit quality diagnostics. Now open Wink, grant the permissions it requests, and tap the Quick VPN Setup option to begin the automated connection process. Now configure the connection and video pipeline. Choose a nearby VPN server in Wink's list to reduce latency and packet loss. Proximity beats raw bandwidth for live video. Then, in Wink's video settings, pick 720p or enable adaptive streaming so quality scales with network conditions. Make sure the VPN mode is UDP if available, and use port 1194 when prompted because it favors streaming. Once configured, run the app's built-in connection test and watch the real-time bitrate and jitter graphs to verify stability. Finish by validating the setup with a short test recording and watching the frame rate and audio sync in playback. If you see stutter or drops, switch to a different nearby server, lower the video bitrate or resolution, and disable background apps that consume upload bandwidth. Also restart the VPN tunnel or toggle UDP/TCP modes to see improvement. If problems persist, log the times and server names so you can reproduce issues. Sharing that log with support speeds resolution and prevents repeated troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.